So we are looking at the another factor that is the temperature on the rate of reaction, how temperature affects the rate of reaction. Okay, so let's go into the fundamental. What is the temperature? We have already seen that temperature is a measure of average kinetic energy, okay, of basically gaseous molecules. So what does it mean? That means if we are talking of the higher temperature, that means temperature is increased, the kinetic energy is going to go up. Simple. Okay. Now, if the kinetic energy is going to go up, what is going to happen to the collisions? The collisions between the two reactant molecules is going to be harder. So I will say because of the increase in this, the harder collisions okay between reactant molecules and then because of that obviously the rate of reaction is going to go up. And another factor which you can think of is that collision frequency will also increase. Okay. So there are two factors which are affecting because of the higher temperature. Harder collision, that means the collision between the two reactant molecules is going to be very strong, hard. Okay, and that is what is required for the rate of reaction. And even the collision frequency, that means that in one, whatever the unit time, how many times the molecules are going to collide. That is also going to increase. But a major impact is because of the harder collisions. Okay. So that should be clear that because the higher temperature, the collisions between the reactant molecules is going to be higher. And second reason, collision frequency is also. So what is the overall effect? The rate of reaction will start, okay, increasing. Okay, it increases exponentially. And just for this one, that for average moderate range of temperatures, okay, and let's say up to this, okay, up to this, whatever this, okay, maybe around say, let's say 100 Kelvin, 100 degrees Celsius. That means around, we are talking around 400 Kelvin. Okay, and let's say from the average of, let's say around 0 degrees Celsius. So 273 Kelvin to 400 Kelvin. In this range, for every 10 degree increase, 10 degree Celsius or 10 Kelvin increase, the rate of reaction almost doubles. Okay, let's say from you change the temperature from 20 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius, the rate of reaction will double. Okay, that's the power. That means what, that is the impact of temperature increase. The rate of reaction really increases. Okay. Okay. Now, if we want to see the another way of looking at this is simple. Okay. So always we can take the help of our favorite Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution. Okay, so let me put it like this. Yeah, and let me show. Okay. Show you different colors. Okay. So what are these? This is the curve pertaining to lower temperature. And this is pertaining to higher temperature. Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution curve. Okay. Now what does it indicate? It simply indicates that as you increase the temperature, the number of molecules which are possessing higher kinetic energy or higher energy than activation energy, those molecules are increasing. Let me repeat, as we increase the temperature, so I'm talking about this orange portion, the number of molecules possessing energy greater than activation energy, that is increasing. We get, this is the orange color, so let me make it dark, that we are talking about this part. This is something which is additional we are getting. These are the number of molecules which are additional molecules. At higher temperature, they are available, which are having higher energy than activation energy. So obviously, they are going to speed up the reaction. This is the another way why. So if we need to understand why, this is the reason. Why it isn't. Okay, simple. Because there are now more number of molecules which are there with the energy having higher than activation energy. And what is activation energy? That we also see that it is nothing but the minimum energy which is required to start the reaction. Okay, simple. I think it is quite clear to you. Okay.